This Coldwell Banker M&D Good Life property video is presented by Deborah Sinensky. Desirable gated Silver Ponds community. 1-level end-unit ranch with private entrance. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage, new roof, newer CAC/newer carpets. Newer appliances/community offers pools, tennis, a clubhouse with a gym, a billiard room, and a reading room. Close to shopping, breweries, restaurants, and wineries. Beaches and golf. Taxes with STAR program $7,360.68. Easy to live in and easy to own 1-level ranch townhome in gated Silver Ponds community. Are you ready to enjoy more free time? For more information, review the details below or contact Deborah Sinensky at 631-96